Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the fund code for our Bitget account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that, so worry not. Now let us simply look at how to change the Bitget fund code. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the profile icon at the top right. It's right next to the search icon. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on the security button right here. Click on it. And that is it, guys. Once you are in the security tab, initially you will find the two-factor authentication settings. But for now, what we're gonna do is simply scroll down. And right here in the advanced security tab, you can see the fund code, PIN codes and everything. Right now I want to edit my fund code, so I'm simply gonna click on this edit button right here. Once you've done that, what you guys need to do is simply enter your old fund code right here along with your new fund code and the confirmation. I'm gonna enter it right now. And guys, this is it. Once you've done that, simply click on submit. Then it will ask for your Google Authenticator verification code. Simply enter it right now. And guys, that's it. Just hit on confirm. And as you can see, our fund password has been changed. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we change your fund code. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.